Oh my gosh, uso ba yung mga bobo sa kakampings? Kasi ito, ano bang ambag nitong babae na to sa society natin sa Pilipinas? Proud na proud ka, PBB ka? Huh? Ano yan? So sabi niya dito, I am all for empowering women, but when these are the women in power, nakakahiya kayo. Girl, ikaw dapat mahiya sa sarili mo because yung sinasabihan mong na ganyan, mas madaming na-achieve compare sa'yo. Ano ba narating mo? Nakalabas sa bahay ni Kuya sa PBB? Yucks! You're such a shit. You're nothing. Ikaw dapat mahiya sa skin mo, girl. Example na lang, Lauren Legarda. She earned her Bachelor of Arts in Broadcasting Communication cum laude. Wala ka sa kalingkingan ng utak niyan. In UP Broadcasting Association. Lauren Legarda is also completed her master's degree in National Security Administration in National Defense College of the Philippines. Tapos, naging senator pa. Di ba? Tapos, may doctors pa of law. Doctors of Humanities. Doctors of Education. Okay, kay ano naman tayo, kay Pia Cayetano. Pia Cayetano earned her Bachelor of Arts degree in Economics sa UP Diliman in 1988 and also passed the bar exam in 1992. So, lawyer yan, girl. Plus senator pa. So, ano binatbat mo dyan? So, si Camille Villar naman, she earned her degree in Management plus Masters of Business in Administration or MBA in Madrid, Spain. Kaloka ka naman. Plus, she's also recognized as a younger generation Filipino of a politician and a strong business sector experience, lalo na sa property development. So, anong laban mo dyan, girl? Wala na. Ito, senator pa. Party ng oligarch. Okay, ito naman si Amy Marcos, which I really don't like. Pero since yung apat na magigiting na kababaihan ang bilash mo, I will still provide her information. So, Amy Marcos obtained her Bachelor of Arts degree in UP way back in 2006. Naging governor, naging senator. So girl, ano ba yung maibabrag mo that's something that you can proud of? Graduate ng senior high, that's the only thing that you can be proud of. Or graduate sa PBB, like what the fuck? Is that an achievement? Ay nako, bobo. I mean no, I really don't also agree all the time sa credentialism kasi kakamping sa mahilig dito eh. But since we are talking about women empowerment, o yan na, binigay ko na sa'yo. And if you have time to do research, ikaw na lang mag-research kung ano yung mga nagawa nila kasi madami. Too many to mention and I'm not paid to do it. Ikaw magbasa ka, huwag kang always bobo. Oy girl, gumising ka. Senior high graduate ka pa naman, bobo ka pa din. Lala talaga ng education sa Pilipinas. Mga bobo, example sa bobo.